Hey everyone, what is going on? Got a little OEM upgrade for the caliber. It is this little Mopar number here. And it is an OEM shift knob. Basically the caliber, think like Avenger, a lot of them, I'll show you the shifter when we go outside. They use this really small stem and it like snaps in. But there you have it. This is OEM. It is chrome. It's actually a lot nicer than the OEM one. And, this is OEM, but it's a lot nicer than the one that comes with the car. You see it's like carbon weave. And it's not like laid over, it's just like carbon material. And it's stitched and it's like, polished. It's nice. Found this one new. I think they're like 70 bucks. And, there's the instructions and all that stuff. But we'll go out and I'm going to show you how to swap it out because this one threads on. But the other one I'll show you, they actually just kind of pop off. They're a little tough, but we'll go out and do it. So hopefully I can find a spot where you guys can see what I'm doing in the car from the outside. Hopefully there's enough light because it's fall and it's dark. So let's get out to the car. So here is the OEM one. Plastic chrome top, but this is the shifter style that I'm talking about. It has a really small stem, and supposedly all I really have to do, well, I've tested this at the junkyard, but you can see how there's like small line there. I'm supposed to be able to pop this down. I hope. Wow, that's really tough. Oh, wow, that was on there way tight. But then, once you get this off, I probably got to set you guys up somehow to see, because I got to yank on this with both hands. I had to do it at the junkyard with both hands. Oh, there we go. Hopefully it wasn't too shaky. But, yeah, it just kind of snaps on there. So we'll put this off to the side. And, yeah, see, the stem is really short. So to reinstall this, we just have to pop this color on that threads on there. I don't think there's a direction. Let me look at this one real quick. You can see kind of a flat spot down in there. So we got to see if this one has that. Really hard to see. Well, I guess we'll just try to push it on there. Oh, yep. It fits nicely into place. And then, yeah. Oh, comes off that way. So I'm gonna turn it around so the threads are facing away so you don't see them. There we go. Got our nice little knob on there. I think they have other ones that are available. Like I think they make like a T-handle one and stuff. But yeah, it's actually really nice. I think that looks a lot better than that one. It's nice and secure in OEM. So nice little factory upgrade. And yeah, nice and tight. Not going nowhere. Oh, it's got a little bit of play into the other one, didn't? Do I have it all the way? Yeah, I think I do. Yeah, I think it's on all the way. Has a little bit of play in it. Not sure why. It is brand new, but no one's going to be really yanking on it too much. But yeah, that was pretty simple. Got rid of this plastic one for this nice billet polished carbon one. So hopefully you like this little quick OEM upgrade. I'll hold on to this plastic one if I ever get rid of the caliber. But yeah, real nice easy upgrade. I think I saw some like Hurst style T-handle shifters and stuff like that. But I like the round one. Sorry, I'm trying to hang this up. But yeah, quick little upgrade for the caliber. And that's basically real easy. All you need is a screwdriver to pop that off. At the junkyard, I didn't use one. I just kind of grabbed it with both hands and yanked really hard, and it all popped off. But there you go. That's it. I'll leave the link for the one I got. Maybe a few other ones down below. So if you like this little caliber update video, like and subscribe. Till next time.